There's definitely nothing for Johnie there. Please get out. There's my coffee. There's my tea. There's Daddy's coffee and stuff. Get out. Hello? Hey. What are you doing? Johnie? Hey! What are you doing there? No! Get out. Come. No, you stealing my tea? No, you're not gonna steal my tea. Not this time. Leave it. You get out. Johnie? Guys, what are we doing here? What are we... Okay, let me just leave you. I want to see what you're doing. Hey! But that's my tea. See? Johnie, don't destroy my tea. Hello? Because I want to know what is it doing. No, you're making a mess. You're making a mess. Please get out. Get out. Don't go in. Get out. Out means out. Or should I say it in German? Raus. Come. Come raus. Come raus. Come. 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 Hey. You see now? Come out. Come out. Yes, sis.